Alright, something's wrong with the freaking turn signal light. See? The blinking is not normal. On the left, it's normal. Yeah! Let's take a look right there. Yeah, this is terrible. My side marker. I think there's a problem right there in my Ford Ranger. Disregard my accent here. Okay, it's back to normal. It's back to normal. Disregard my accent though. The weather's been going nuts lately. We got a possible cold front coming on Monday. Disregard my accent, guys. I feel like a country boy to you. Been in the rural South. I ain't in Texas, man. I'm in Louisiana.